Hey everybody, Joe Kirk with the Kirk team, coming to you here for a tips and trick. I want to show you today about main floor living. It's a big, huge push in our market right now. A lot of people want that main floor master, and here's a prime example. So I'm going to show you real quick. As you come in, you'll see the living room area, kitchen, dining room, it's all opened up. And the master bedroom is just off of this. So the reason for this is, as parents, their kiddos leave and they're starting to age, they don't want to necessarily downsize into a different house. They want to be able to stay in the house that they raised their kids and all of those things, and they don't want to move. So having a main floor bedroom, master bedroom specifically, allows them to stay in the space well after their kids have left, and really allows them to utilize the space appropriately going as they age. Hope that's a really great tip for you. I don't know what you think of main floor living. Do you prefer to live on the second story or away from the kids? Would love to hear the comments below on what you think of the video, and hope everyone has a great day, and go Team Kirk.